Stop losing sales and start getting paid instantly with the power of Apple Pay links. First, you'll need a compatible payment processor or e-commerce platform that supports Apple Pay. Popular choices include Stripe, Square, and Shopify. Make sure your account is set up and verified with one of these. Now, log into your chosen platform and navigate to the payment links section. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your provider, but look for something along those lines. Click on Create Payment Link or a similar button here. You'll enter the details of the product or service you're selling. Be sure to include a clear description and the correct price. Most importantly, make sure the Apple Pay option is enabled or toggled on. Once you've configured everything, generate the payment link. You can now copy this link and share it through various channels like email, social media, text messages, or even embed it on your website. When a customer clicks the link on their Apple device, they'll be presented with a secure and seamless Apple Pay payment interface that can then authenticate the payment with Touch ID or Face ID for a quick and easy transaction. After the payment is confirmed, you'll receive a notification in your platform, and the funds will be processed according to your chosen provider's schedule. That's it. You've streamlined your payment process and unlocked the power of instant Apple Pay transactions.